Stuck on Google account verification after a reset? Whether it's a forgotten password or a used Samsung phone, this video covers the best ways to bypass FRP and regain access fast. Part 1. What is Google account FRP lock on Samsung? FRP on Samsung blocks access after a reset without the original Google account. It's for security, but can be tricky if you forget your login or buy a locked device. Use official methods to unlock. Part 2. Bypass Google account on Samsung via Android Unlock. Using third-party programs like Android Lock Wiper to unlock FRP Google accounts on Galaxy devices offers convenience, time savings, and step-by-step guidance. It's often compatible with various models and is easy to handle. Step 1. Initiate the process by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Select Remove Google Lock FRP and choose Advanced Mode. Connect your Samsung to the PC via USB, then click Start. Step 2. Follow the instructions to provide the necessary information regarding your Galaxy device and click Next. Ensure you follow the on-screen guidance to access recovery mode. Step 3. On the subsequent screen, select the appropriate PDA, country, and carrier. Then click Download to obtain the required data package. Step 4. Next, click Start to extract and adhere to the on-screen instructions to place your device into download mode, enable USB debugging, activate OEM unlock, and extract the firmware, among other critical tasks. Step 5. Ultimately, the software will commence the unlocking process for your Samsung device. Upon completion, you will successfully eliminate the Google verification code from your Samsung. Part 3. Bypass Google Lock on Samsung with Google Keyboard. Reset the locked Samsung phone and reach the Google verification screen. Tap and hold to open keyboard settings. Tap the three dots Help and Feedback. Using Google Keyboard, select any text. Tap WebSarc. Type Settings. Go to About Phone. Tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Back out. Open developer options. Enable OEM unlocking. Restart the phone. Connect to Wi-Fi and add a new Google account to bypass FRP. Part 4. Bypass Google FRP after reset Samsung via Talkback. Reset Samsung. Connect Wi-Fi. Keyboard license. Tap Text Web Search. If failed, Talkback. Draw L. Pause. Help Voice. Access Browser. Search Lavalist Exivus. Install Launcher. Enable unknown sources. Disable security. Install Technicare. Add Google account. Enable Play services. Restart Skip setup. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock. Factory reset. Delete all. Part 5. Bypass Google on Samsung after factory reset with SIM pin code. Power on Samsung. Connect Wi-Fi. Follow Google Verify prompts. Update Store Close. Search and update Samsung browser. Download FRP APK, for example, Apex Launcher. Settings. Security. Enable PIN windows. Set PIN restart. Part 6. Bypass Google verification on Samsung via Online Bypass Tool. Download FRP tool. Transfer to USB. Reboot. Select language. Click Start. Skip SIM. Connect Wi-Fi. Click Next. Agree. Click Next. Google verification. Connect USB with OTG. Select APK. Install. Open App Settings. Backup and reset. Click Factory Reset. Erase everything. Part 7. Remove Google verification on Galaxy via Odin. Install drivers. Download Odin and file. Power off download mode. Open Odin. Connect phone. Flash file start. Enable USB debugging. Reboot. Flash full firmware. FRP removed.